Welcome to FK iPhone. Today we are checking out the Nokia 150, the latest budget-friendly feature phone from Nokia in 2025. Nokia has been bringing back classic designs with modern twists, and the 150 is no exception. It is simple, durable, and made for people who want a phone that just works without any distractions. Let's dive into its features, design, and overall experience. Starting with the features, the Nokia 150 focuses on reliability and ease of use. It comes with a long-lasting battery which can go for days on a single charge. That is something you don't see in smartphones anymore. It has a 2.4-inch display that is clear and bright enough for everyday use. The phone runs on Nokia's classic Series 30 Plus software, which means you get a straightforward interface with no unnecessary apps slowing it down. There is a built-in MP3 player and FM radio, so you can enjoy music without needing an internet connection. It also has a microSD card slot supporting up to 32 GB of storage, which is great for storing songs and photos. The VGA camera at the back is simple but gets the job done for quick snapshots. And yes, it still has a 3.5mm headphone jack, something many modern phones have removed. Moving on to the design, the Nokia 150 sticks to a classic candy bar style with a durable plastic build. It is lightweight yet sturdy and fits comfortably in hand. The physical keypad is easy to use, offering a tactile feel that makes texting and dialing effortless. The buttons are well spaced, making it a great option for those who prefer a physical keyboard over touch screens. The phone comes in multiple colors, giving you a bit of choice when it comes to style. Nokia has also made it splash and dust resistant, adding to its durability. This is a phone designed to last, making it perfect for rough use, travel, or as a reliable backup device. So what is the final verdict? The Nokia 150 is not trying to compete with modern smartphones. Instead, it is built for people who need a simple, no-nonsense phone with long battery life and essential features. It is great for those who want a break from constant notifications or need a reliable secondary phone. With its durable build, long-lasting battery, and classic design, it is a solid choice for anyone looking for a basic phone in 2025. If you miss the days when phones were just phones, this one is worth considering. That is it for today's video. If you enjoyed this breakdown of the Nokia 150, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more updates on the latest phones and tech. Thanks for watching FK iPhone, and see you in the next one.